Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you how to remove your sidebar from your website. So, let's check ahead what a sidebar looks like. A sidebar will be something like that, something on the side. So, there is actually multiple methods to remove it, but I will show you a couple ones that are like the most common ones. The first thing to do, which is clicking on F12, just like so. And let's keep it as a PC form, and then click on this icon in here and put it on this sidebar. So let's try to find it, something like that. So it will be this one. Okay, this section is called secondary sidebar widget area. So what you could do, for example, you can come here, do display none, and it will be deleted. What you have to do now is copy this, something like that, and go back to your dashboard, go to your appearance, and then theme editor. From here, guys, you will have to click Control F and then paste it. If it doesn't show up like so, then I will have to delete something from here. For example, let's remove this and search for sidebar. Okay, so this is my sidebar informations. Now what I have to do is I have to check it out if it is the same thing. So something like that, 7mm. Okay, let's try and add here sidebar display 2 points none, and don't forget this. Now let's go down, and yeah, let's keep it that way. So let's try to refresh this page, and let's try to go out. Changes you made are not be saved. Okay, wait, let me just save them. Update 5. Okay, I've updated it. Now if I came here, it's not have been changed. So let's check from here if there is any sections of the sidebar. Okay, there is this sidebar in here, secondary. Okay, from here maybe you could add something to make it display none if you are good with the HTML. For me, I'm not really that good with HTML, but there is the other way, which is going to theme appearance and going to widgets. From here you can delete these items, delete, and now it will be deleted just like so. So yeah guys, if you are good with the HTML, you can go to theme editor and edit it from there. If you're not good like me, you can just go to widgets, find the sidebar, and delete the item that you have on it. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.